the $10,000 Savings Challenge crush your 2025 financial goals. Step-by-step strategies to save big, build wealth, and transform your future. What if 2025 was the year you saved $10,000 and changed your financial future forever? In this exciting video, we'll break down exactly how to tackle the $10,000 Savings Challenge step by step. Whether you are saving for a dream vacation, building an emergency fund, or laying the groundwork for financial freedom, this guide has you covered. What you will learn: why saving $10,000 can transform your life, proven strategies to overcome budgeting challenges and curb impulse spending, the mindset shift you need to stay motivated and consistent, how to turn your savings into wealth through smart investments, real stories, practical tips, and motivation. Hear real-life examples of people who have successfully saved and built wealth, laugh at relatable humor, and discover actionable steps to crush your savings goals. Ready to make 2025 your year of financial success? My self-paced masterclasses, group coaching, and one-on-one coaching services are here to help you every step of the way. Join our online community of go-getters and start building your financial legacy today. Click the link in the description below to sign up now and make your $10,000 savings dream a reality. Imagine yourself standing in a brightly lit room holding a jar full of coins with upbeat music playing in the background. Hey there, future financial rock stars. What if I told you that by the end of 2025, you could have an extra $10,000 saved up? Sounds pretty amazing, right? Whether you are saving for a dream vacation, your first home, or a financial safety net, this challenge is your golden ticket to making it happen. Today, I am going to break it all down for you: the obstacles you will face, the strategies you will need, and the mindset that will get you there. Plus, I will share how my self-paced masterclasses, group coaching, and one-on-one services can help you crush this challenge and build financial freedom. Let's dive in. Section 1. Why save $10,000 in 2025? The problem: many people do not see the importance of setting a clear savings goal, so they struggle to save effectively. Solution 1. Define your why. For example, Sarah saved $10,000 to start her small business, which became her full-time gig within a year. Saving without a goal is like going to the gym with no plan. You will just end up wandering around and pretending to stretch. Here, an action step: write down what you are saving for. Is it a new car? A safety net? Put it somewhere visible, like on your fridge or phone wallpaper. Solution: to visualize your success. For example, Mike created a vision board with pictures of his dream vacation, which motivated him to stay on track. Every time you think about splurging on a $5 coffee, picture sipping margaritas on a beach instead. Here, an action step: create a vision board or savings tracker to remind yourself of your goals daily. Solution 3. Break it down. For example, saving $10,000 sounds huge, but when broken into $833 a month or $27 a day, it feels manageable. That is less than the cost of your daily avocado toast habit. Here, an action step: use a savings calculator to figure out how much to set aside each day, week, or month. Section 2. The challenges of saving $10,000. The problem: sticking to a budget. Solution 1. Automate your savings. For example, Rachel set up automatic transfers to her savings account every payday, ensuring she hit her goals effortlessly. Out of sight, out of mind, until you see that $10,000 balance. Here, an action step: set up an auto transfer for a specific amount every month. Solution: to cut unnecessary expenses. For example, Alex saved $200 a month by canceling unused subscriptions and meal prepping instead of eating out. You do not need 7 streaming services. Nobody watches that much TV. Here, an action step: audit your expenses and cut out anything you are not using or do not truly need. Solution 3. Use the 50-30-20 rule. For example, Sarah allocated 50% of her income for essentials, 30% for fun, and 20% for savings. Essentials mean rent and groceries, not weekly takeout from that fancy sushi place. Here, an action step: divide your income into needs, wants, and savings, and stick to it. Problem: to impulse spending. The solution: implement a 24-hour rule. For example, before buying a new gadget, Mike gave himself 24 hours to think about it and realized he did not need it. Impulse buys are like bad dates: exciting at first, but you regret them the next day. Here, an action step: wait 24 hours before making any unplanned purchases. Solution: to create spending alternatives. For example, instead of dining out, Rachel hosted potlucks with friends, saving $150 a month. Who needs a fancy restaurant when your friend's cooking skills are just as questionable? Here, an action step: find cheaper or free alternatives for entertainment and socializing. Solution 3: track your spending. For example, Alex used a budgeting app to track every expense, making him more mindful of his habits. It is like a Fitbit for your wallet. Except it does not guilt you about skipping the gym. Here, an action step: download a budgeting app like Mint or YNAB to monitor your spending habits. Section 3: the mindset shift for success. The problem: without the right mindset, it is easy to give up when challenges arise. The solution focused on progress, not perfection. For example, Sarah missed her savings goal 1 month, but caught up the next month by skipping unnecessary purchases. Saving money is not about being perfect. It is about being persistent. Even Beyoncé probably overspent once or twice. Here is an action step: celebrate small wins and forgive yourself for setbacks. Solution: to surround yourself with support. For example, Mike joined a savings challenge group, which kept him motivated and accountable. It is like a gym buddy for your wallet. Less sweat, more savings. Here is an action step: join my online community to connect with others on the same journey. Solution 3: invest in learning. For example, Alex took a budgeting masterclass which taught him strategies to save faster and smarter. Who knew learning about money could be more exciting than binging your favorite show? Here is an action step: enroll in my masterclass to learn advanced strategies for saving and growing wealth. Section 4: turning savings into wealth. The problem: saving is great, but growing your money is even better. The solution: invest in index funds. For example, Rachel invested her $10,000 in an index fund, which grew to $12,000 in a year. It is like planting a money tree, except you do not need a green thumb. Here is an action step: research beginner-friendly investment options, or join my group coaching to get personalized advice. Solution: to build passive income streams. For example, Mike used his savings to start an online course, which now generates $1,000 a month in passive income. Passive income is like a pizza delivery: money shows up while you are chilling. Here is an action step: brainstorm ways to turn your skills into income-generating assets. Solution 3: start a side hustle. For example, Alex used his savings to launch a graphic design business, doubling his income within 6 months. Your side hustle could be the thing that pays for your next vacation or your next yacht. Here is an action step: explore side hustle ideas that align with your skills and passions. Your call to action: imagine yourself smiling, holding a jar labeled Saving Success filled with money. This can all be possible this year. Click on the link in the description below to get started. Saving $10,000 in 2025 is not just a challenge, it is a life-changing opportunity. With the right strategies, mindset, and support, you can make it happen. And remember, you do not have to do it alone. Join my self-paced masterclasses, group coaching sessions, or one-on-one coaching for personalized guidance. Plus, our amazing online community is filled with people cheering each other on. Click the link below to learn more and start your journey to financial success today. Thanks for watching. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with someone ready to crush their savings goals. You have got this.